Okay, so we're using email templates so that we've got the words sort of already prepped and the email drafts already prepped for when we use them as reminders or follow-ups and so forth. So I'm just going to start by running through some of my email templates so that you can have a look at it. So the first thing is when you come to the page, the page is templates. You can see the name of the template, the email subject of that template, and who or what that template is related to specifically. So I think 99% of my templates are only related to either a customer or a lead. When a customer's in when somebody's in a customer or lead status, I don't at this point have anything linked to a specific task or invoicing and so forth, because I'm happy with the ones that come as a standard from the system generated templates. So let's have a look at why I have two. So firstly, it's end of the year, or I'm just sending, I'm going to open it up by clicking edit, and you can see here that this is related to leads. So here it says dear lead name. So it doesn't matter whether I have somebody's first name or surname, whatever name they've given to me when they filled in a contact form of sorts, or they emailed in and I've absorbed that email address as leads, I'm sending them this email. Okay, so this will trigger out. Then number two, I've got exactly the same email, but I'm sending it to customers. And here you can see when we actually capture somebody as a customer to our system, we make a point of taking their specific first name and last name. And then this one will go to that. So I like to properly address people. So that's why I have those templates there. Then I have other types of templates which are mostly for our leads status potential clients, where I've got follow-ups or sharing more information on it. And here you can see it is a lead, so therefore the lead fields, the variables became available here. And just a reminder, wherever my cursor was and whichever variable I clicked on, as you can see, I'm clicking on the different variables here: lead country, lead zip, and because my cursor is in that spot, it's there, but we won't have all of those there. Those are the variables that will appear wherever I put down my cursor. Okay. A template that I have for my clients is sometimes our systems go out or down, or we're a bit behind with the updates, especially for the WhatsApp bulk sender. And then we need to tell people, okay, this is how you can download the new version, and that goes to our customers, and we of course take the time to address them properly. So these templates at any point can be